I'm gonna say stole because I didn't give anyone my permission to use my logs. I cannot sit back any longer knowing what they did.
In the early morning hours of December 16th, 2022, Dwayne Sykes was a former trucker for Triton Logistics. That's when a Triton truck rear-ended a shuttle bus on I-64 in Williamsburg. 3 passengers aboard the bus were killed. But the real driver of the Triton truck, Daniel Kramer, initially told state police he had just dropped off his supposed co-driver, Dwayne Sykes.
You were never in a truck with him?
Absolutely not.
So how did Sykes' name end up associated with the crash when he was no longer with Triton?
They stole my information. I'm gonna say stole because I didn't give anyone my permission to use my logs. So they had me assigned to that truck as if I was a co-pilot.
The National Transportation Safety Board report says Kramer, the real driver, told their investigators that Triton gave him a cover story to use. I basically repeated what they told me to say, Kramer is quoted in his transcript, that I had just dropped off my co-driver, which is the same thing that I told that state policeman that night.
Did anyone from Triton ever tell you to say that sort of thing?
Absolutely.
They
that
did.
was the go-to.
So Kramer was making the run by himself with no co-driver. Kramer also describes a data center in Lithuania that Triton
They stole my information. I'm gonna say stole because